Please use subtitle translation to select desired language. Cinnamon is a popular spice known for its distinct flavor and aroma, but it also offers a variety of health benefits. Here are some of the key advantages of incorporating cinnamon into your diet. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Cinnamon is packed with antioxidants, such as polyphenols, which help protect the body from oxidative stress and inflammation. 2. Improved immune function. Cinnamon can enhance immune response due to its antimicrobial properties, helping the body better fight off infections. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. The compounds in cinnamon have anti-inflammatory effects, which can help lower the risk of chronic diseases related to inflammation. 4. Blood sugar control. Cinnamon helps improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes or those at risk. 5. Reduced risk of heart disease. Cinnamon helps reduce blood pressure and improve circulation, contributing to overall cardiovascular health. 6. Weight management. Cinnamon helps regulate metabolism and improve the body's ability to burn fat. 7. Cognitive function. Some studies suggest that cinnamon improves cognitive function and protect against neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's disease. 8. Mood enhancement. The scent of cinnamon may have mood-lifting effects and can help reduce stress and anxiety. 9. Anti-cancer potential. Some studies suggest that cinnamon has anti-cancer properties, particularly in inhibiting tumor growth and reducing the spread of cancer cells. Moderate consumption of cinnamon generally falls within the following guidelines: ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon, 2 to 4 grams, per day. Cinnamon supplements. Dosages range from 100 to 500 milligrams per day, but it's essential to follow the manufacturer's recommendations or consult a healthcare provider. There are two main types of cinnamon. Ceylon cinnamon, often referred to as true cinnamon, it has lower levels of coumarin, making it safer for regular use. Cassia cinnamon, more common and less expensive, it contains higher levels of coumarin, which can be harmful in large quantities. Combining cinnamon with certain supplements can enhance its health benefits. Here are some effective combinations. 1. Cinnamon and turmeric, curcumin, both have anti-inflammatory properties. Together, they can support joint health. 2. Cinnamon and ginger. Both spices support digestive health and help reduce nausea. This combination can also enhance anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. 3. Cinnamon and omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s support heart health, and when combined with cinnamon, they may further reduce inflammation and promote cardiovascular health. 4. Cinnamon and chromium. Chromium helps improve insulin sensitivity, and when paired with cinnamon, this combination can be particularly beneficial for blood sugar management. 5. Cinnamon and green tea extract. Both have antioxidant properties, and the combination enhances metabolic benefits, aid in weight management, and improve heart health. 6. Cinnamon and vitamin D. Vitamin D supports immune function, and when combined with cinnamon, it enhances overall immune health and reduces inflammation. 7. Cinnamon and probiotics. This combination can support gut health, with cinnamon providing antimicrobial benefits and probiotics enhancing digestive health. 8. Cinnamon and L-theanine. L-theanine promotes relaxation and focus, and when combined with cinnamon, it helps improve cognitive function and reduce stress. 9. Cinnamon and magnesium. Magnesium supports over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including muscle function and energy production. Combining it with cinnamon can enhance metabolic health and help regulate blood sugar levels. 10. Cinnamon and zinc. Both cinnamon and zinc support immune function. This combination helps enhance immune response and provide additional antioxidant protection. 11. Cinnamon and coenzyme Q10, CoQ10. CoQ10 supports cellular energy production and has antioxidant properties. Combining it with cinnamon can enhance heart health and reduce oxidative stress. 12. Cinnamon and ashwagandha. ashwagandha, is an adaptogen that helps manage stress and anxiety. When combined with cinnamon, it provides enhanced benefits for stress reduction and metabolic health. 13. Cinnamon and berberine. Berberine is known for its blood sugar lowering effects. Combining it with cinnamon can enhance glucose metabolism and improve insulin sensitivity. 14. Cinnamon and vitamin E. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant. Together, they can provide enhanced protection against oxidative stress and support skin health. 15. Cinnamon and B vitamins. B vitamins are crucial for energy metabolism. Combining them with cinnamon can enhance energy levels and overall metabolic function. 16. Cinnamon and aloe vera. Aloe vera has digestive benefits and helps regulate blood sugar. Combining it with cinnamon can support gut health and improve blood sugar control. While cinnamon is generally safe for most people when consumed in moderate amounts, there are side effects and risks associated with its use, particularly with high doses or certain types of cinnamon. Here are some side effects to be aware of. 1. Liver damage. Cassia cinnamon contains high levels of coumarin, which can be toxic to the liver in large amounts. Chronic high intake may lead to liver damage. 2. Allergic reactions. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions to cinnamon, resulting in symptoms like skin rashes, itching, or respiratory issues. 3. Gastrointestinal distress. High doses of cinnamon may cause stomach upset, nausea, diarrhea, or bloating. 4. Lowered blood sugar. Cinnamon can lower blood sugar levels, which may lead to hypoglycemia, especially in individuals taking diabetes medications. Symptoms of low blood sugar include dizziness, sweating, confusion, and weakness. 5. Hormonal effects. Cinnamon may have estrogenic effects, which could interfere with hormone medications or conditions sensitive to hormonal changes. 6. Mouth and throat irritation. Consuming large amounts of cinnamon powder can irritate the mouth and throat, leading to discomfort. 7. Drug interactions. Cinnamon may interact with certain medications, particularly anticoagulants, anti-diabetic drugs, and liver medications, which could alter their effects. 8. Increased risk of bleeding. Due to its blood-thinning properties, cinnamon could increase the risk of bleeding when taken in conjunction with anticoagulant medications. Certain populations should exercise caution or consider avoiding cinnamon altogether due to potential health risks. Here are the specific groups. 1. Individuals with liver disease. 2. Pregnant and breastfeeding women. 3. People with diabetes on medication. 4. Individuals with allergies. 5. Individuals scheduled for surgery. Due to its mild blood-thinning effects, cinnamon could increase the risk of bleeding. It's advisable to stop consuming cinnamon at least 2 weeks before surgery. 6. Those on anticoagulant or antiplatelet medications. 7. Individuals with hormonal disorders. Before combining supplements, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional, particularly if you have existing health conditions or are taking prescription medications. They can help assess the potential risks and benefits of specific combinations based on your individual health needs and goals. Always prioritize safety and informed decision-making when it comes to supplement use. This video is intended to provide health information. If you have a medical condition, please seek professional advice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Your support is my biggest motivation.